All right, this video will be very quick. The sum of the angles inside a triangle, called interior angles, those three angles always add up to 180 degrees. So if we are dealing with right triangles, which we normally will be in this time since we are getting into trigonometry, we know that this box here means 90 degrees. We're given the second angle and then we need to find x. So one way that you can look at this is you can say 90 degrees plus 31 degrees plus x total equals 180. Then you can add these two together and get 121 plus x equals 180, and then subtract 121. If you do that, you'll get x equals 59, and then we'll use the degree symbol there at the end. Now, there is a much easier way to do this. If you note that you already have a 90-degree angle, what do these other two have to add up to total 180? These two have to total 90 degrees. If this one's 90, then these two have to also add up to 90, since two 90s make 180. So if you want to keep it simpler, what you can do is just say 31 and x, those other two acute angles, have to add up to 90, since it's a right triangle, and then from there, you're just doing a one-step problem and still getting 59 degrees. So up to you. That little trick is only going to work with right triangles, but that's really what you're dealing with now in this prereq video anyway. All right, the last one that we'll look at, again, we have a right triangle, and we saw the trick before that we can kind of eliminate this 90. We know that these other two acute angles in the right triangle add up to 90, so we will have x plus x equals 90, 2x equals 90, and dividing by 2, we'll get that each one of these is 45 degrees. So this is an isosceles right triangle. It's also known as a 45, 45, 90 special right triangle.